results come in from Lululemon. It is down $21. The earnings and revenue beat, but the future forecast was cautious and was kind of in line on the low side with what analysts were expecting. And that is causing it to drop 6% in after hours. So, despite a very strong Christmas season and a beat on revenue and earnings, Lulu is down. And it really has everything to do with what we've heard out of most other companies around their earnings calls is just the uncertainty to do with not knowing what's going to happen around tariffs and where the consumer is going to be mentally in terms of in a position to spend or not spend as we move forward through the spring or into the spring, if we're in the northern hemisphere of this year. So it's a very cautious and risk averse time. And even with earnings revenue beat, when the future forecast isn't strong, or even when it is, we can see a stock decline. So that's where we are today in the after hours. It was a bit of a rocky day, but overall, not as bad as it may have been, not as bad as it could have been, and certainly was looking worse at the beginning of the day. Closed basically at par in most indices to where it opened. So we'll see what happens tomorrow as we wrap up the week on Friday, heading into a Liberation Day week next week on April 2nd. Good luck in your trades. And if you're liking these videos, hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks.